the most successful long-term collaborations we've had with customers are very much based on this very tight collaboration. In terms of product success, that we find is super important. On the other side of it, I think just in our DNA is a desire to just have that connection for the sake of having the connection with our partners, right? Like, we love when we get into working with a company, we hope that it turns into a long-term relationship that, can go on for many years. And that's just more fun that way. It's just more fun having those relationships with customers, right? When a customer is using maybe a new grain or seed, whether it's sprouted or even not sprouted for the first time, we will definitely go through a trial and error phase. So we'll provide them a series of samples, and they usually end up testing it, at least on a benchtop level, in their product to see sort of at what inclusion rate do they want to use it, when do they incorporate it in their baking process. We keep very detailed records through the product development process of what we've given them in terms of, moisture and different analytical data points that we have the ability to test for. When it maybe the process continues on and moves to, say, like a plant trial, where they get a larger amount to be able to actually run it in their production process. We look back throughout all our notes and we set our specification based on what we've given them and what we know worked on the benchtop. The goal has always been to produce food products that are sort of as nutritionally dense as possible. In our case, we're able to provide a whole grain, relatively minimally processed, that is just nutritionally dense for people to incorporate into whatever food product they want to make.